Hi! Welcome back to Interactive French Practice session number 13. My name is Lisiane and I'm your French teacher over at thefrenchcompass.com. In this session, we're going to review the Passé Composé with the auxiliary être using verbs of movement. Exercise number 1. Remember that the sentence is first given in English and you're asked translated into French. Sentence number 1. We went to the bank. Answer, on est allé à la banque. Again, on est allé à la banque. Sentence number 2. They came to see us. Answer, ils sont venus nous voir. You could also say, ils sont venus pour nous voir. Again, ils sont venus nous voir. Sentence number 3. What time did you get home? Or what time did you come home? Plural. What time did you get home or come home? Answer. Vous êtes rentré à quelle heure? Again, vous êtes rentré à quelle heure? You could also ask, à quelle heure est-ce que vous êtes rentré? À quelle heure est-ce que vous êtes rentré? Sentence number 4. I went out for a walk. Or I went out to go for a walk. Answer, je suis sorti me promener. Or you could say, je suis sorti pour me promener. Again, je suis sorti pour me promener. Exercise number 2. Sentence number 1. They arrived yesterday. Answer, ils sont arrivés hier. Again, ils sont arrivés hier. Sentence number 2. How long did you stay? Informal. How long did you stay? Answer, tu es resté combien de temps? Again, tu es resté combien de temps? You can also ask, combien de temps est-ce que tu es resté? Combien de temps est-ce que tu es resté? Sentence number 3. He left an hour ago. Answer, il est parti il y a 1 heure. Again, il est parti il y a 1 heure. In case you use the verb quitter, quitter is used in another context. Son travail ou son conjoint. Quitter means to leave in the sense of to leave your job or to leave your spouse, for example. Sentence number 4. We went back to the shop. Answer, on est retourné au magasin. Again, on est retourné au magasin. Exercise number 3. Sentence number 1. I went to the post office, or I stopped at the post office. In the sense of to make a quick stop. Answer, je suis passé à la poste. Again, je suis passé à la poste. Sentence number 2. He fell off the tree. Answer. Il est tombé de l'arbre. Again, il est tombé de l'arbre. Sentence number 3. Were you born in spring? Formal. Were you born in spring? Answer. Vous êtes né au printemps? Again, vous êtes né au printemps? You could also ask, est-ce que vous êtes né au printemps? Est-ce que vous êtes né au printemps? Sentence number 4. Did you go up to the top floor? Informal. Did you go up to the top floor? Answer. Tu es monté au dernier étage? Or tu es monté jusqu'au dernier étage? Again. Tu es monté jusqu'au dernier étage? Or tu es monté au dernier étage? You could also ask, est-ce que tu es monté jusqu'au dernier étage? Or est-ce que tu es monté au dernier étage? Okay, that was all for today. Thank you so much for taking part again. I wish you a very nice week, and remember that you can download the PDF of this exercise at thefrenchcompass.com/interactivefrench. Have a really nice week and see you soon. Bye!